Hey everybody, hope all is well. Welcome back to the ShabinLife. Well, the roof is finally on and the video is finally here. But before we get started, I just want to say a quick thank you to Eric, Mark, Kyle, Brian, Andrew, Dennis, and Calvin, all the guys that worked on the roof. Greatly appreciate all your effort. The roof turned out really nice, very happy. I didn't get a chance to really get too knee deep into the actual roof installation, but I tried to catch as much of each part of the install as I could so that you guys could check it out. So without any further ridiculousness, let's go ahead and get into it. So there you have it, the roof install. I know that a lot of it was time-lapsed, but I thought it was pretty cool to be able to watch it like that. I didn't get a chance to really film the very last little bit of roof install, which was cutting open the ridge vent, installing the filter material along the ridge vent, and then putting the ridge cap on, getting it all sealed down. That was a day that I just happened to be out of town, and Mark and Kyle were able to bang that out for me, so I greatly appreciate it. Just so that you guys know, and if anyone was wondering, it is a black 1 3/4 inch standing seam metal roof. It's an AG roof. It is 24 gauge metal. Really not much more to it. The guys just did an amazing job, and again, I really appreciate all their hard work. So there's a ton more to come, so stick around. Sheetrock will be next, but there's a bunch of little stuff in between that, plus a bunch of stuff that's happening around the property as well. My hope is that in the next week or so, we'll get started on the septic install. So stick around. If this is your first time stopping by, be sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Everybody have a great day. Peace.